Hello guys, I want to share with you an amazing plugin that you can amplify your detail after you have done your model, and let's say that you need more dense and amplify like in this area. So it's just simple as going to Google and write amp detail. And the title is Learn How to Easily Exaggerate Details in Zbrush. And we're gonna click here and we're going to go to his YouTube channel under the name Ryan Kittleson. And if you go here, show more, you can see the link where you can download this amp detail that you can exaggerate your details in Zbrush. You can follow up his video. He explained easily how to install this plugin that he made and how to use it, but I'm going to do the same thing, so let's show you how you can add it to your Zbrush. So I'm going to open my WinRAR downloaded file. I'm going to select these three and going to extract to C program file, and let's set pixology Zbrush for 8, and then let's go to the startup macros and select MISC and press OK. Now I just need to close this and restart my Zbrush. Now that we have installed our plugin, we just need to go to macro, and by going to macros, MISC and press amp detail. So we're going to wait to calculate my subtools, and we'll have morph targets, and it's just simple start drawing on top, and as you can see we are starting to enhance our details. This is pretty awesome. So this is how you can enhance your details without going back and start remodeling everything. Usually I'm using this one when I'm exporting this placement map in 3ds Max. I do need to exaggerate details in Zbrush. Even if in Zbrush looks good, in 3ds map doesn't offer the same level of detail, so I need to exaggerate all of this. So this is super useful. You can also go to morph targets and you can play with of the settings for how much you want, and when you're satisfied just press demo and we'll store all the information over here. So I hope you find this useful. Go to Ryan's channels and watch his video about this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.